Britney, 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 Britney. Free Britney,
Popular American singer and songwriter Britney Spears is all across the news. She is speaking up against a 13-year-old court-enforced conservatorship that has exercised vast control over her life and money. Here's all you need to know about the conservatorship and why the cry to free Britney keeps getting louder. How do conservatorships work? When a person is considered to have a severely diminished mental capacity, a court can step in and grant someone the power to make decisions and choices for them. The Californian law says that a conservatorship is justified for a person who is unable to provide properly for his or her needs for health, food, clothing, or shelter. It also says that it is for someone who is substantially unable to manage his or her own financial resources or resist fraud or undue influence. An appointee is put in charge, called the conservator. This may be a family member, a close friend, or a court-appointed professional. How does Britney Spears' conservatorship work? With a fortune of more than $50 million comes secrecy, and the court closely guards the inner working of Spears' conservatorship. Some aspects have been revealed in documents. The conservatorship has the power to restrict her visitors. It arranges and oversees visits with her sons, aged 14 and 15, as the father, Kevin Federline, has full custody. It also has the power to take out restraining orders in her name, to make her medical decisions and her business deals. Legally, Britney Spears can get married, but the conservatorship must approve it, as with other major life decisions. So who has these powers over Britney Spears' life? Britney's father, James Spears, has largely been in charge through the years. His every move is scrutinized by the court. From 2008 until 2019, he had power over her life choices, and he and attorney Andrew Wallet controlled her money. Now he has financial control only and must share that role with Bessemer Trust, an estate management firm. A court-appointed professional now acts as a conservator over her personal matters. Why are so many calling to free Britney? Britney's fans have increasingly come together to form a movement after being convinced that she was being controlled unfairly. Key were two women who in 2017 turned their hobby of picking apart Spears' Instagram posts into a podcast, Britney's Gram. That has also helped birth the hashtag Free Britney. Many say that they relate to her struggles with mental health and the system. Why was the conservatorship imposed in the first place? In 2007 and 2008, shortly after she became a mother, she began to have very public mental struggles, with media outlets obsessed over each moment. Hordes of paparazzi aggressively followed her every time she left her house, and she no longer seemed able to handle it. When she once refused to turn over her boys after a visit, she was hospitalized and put on a psychiatric hold. The conservatorship was put in place within days. Why has it gone on for so long? A conservatorship can always be dissolved by the court, though it's rare that a person successfully asks to be released. The burden is on them to prove their competence. The mandatory secrecy of medical records has kept murky the reasons behind why Britney Spears must remain, but it's clear that it involves psychiatric issues. How does Britney Spears feel about all of this? On June 23rd, Britney Spears asked the court to end her conservatorship without being evaluated. Last year, she had also been clear in saying that she wants her father out of this entirely. She said that she now just wants to be free from all of it.